This video aims to provide a comprehensive guide on how to do it, as well as some additional tips to help make remote meetings more productive. Part 1. Requirements for Zoom Screen Share. A computer or mobile device, internet connection, Zoom account, Zoom software, video conference link or ID, audio and video settings, screen sharing capability. Part 2. What can you share on Zoom? Before we delve into how to allow screen share on Zoom, let's first start with what this tool can do for us. Generally, it can share device screen, documents, videos and audio, whiteboard, polls, virtual backgrounds, webcam and chat, PowerPoint slides. Part 3. How to let Zoom enable screen share for participants. If you are the host or co-host of a Zoom meeting, you can enable Zoom, allowing participants to share screen for participants. Part 4. How to share screen on Zoom on PC/Mac.to. Allow Zoom to share your screen on MacBook or Windows PC. Make sure you have the Zoom desktop software installed on your PC or Mac with a version of 5.0.0 or later. It's important to note that older operating systems are not compatible with Zoom. Part 5. How to share screen on Zoom on iPhone/iPad.to. Share your iPhone screen on Zoom. Please ensure that your iPhone version is compatible with Zoom. You can check this by verifying the compatibility of your device with the app. Once confirmed, download and install Zoom and create an account. Part 6. How to do screen share on Zoom on Android. Sharing your screen on Zoom for Android is a different experience, as everything on your screen will be visible to others in the meeting. It's important to exercise caution when sharing sensitive information such as passwords or bank details. Part 7. How to share screen on Zoom to PC with Screen Mirror Hub. Screen Mirror is a robust product for remote access, file manipulation, gaming, meeting, and demonstrating after streaming your phone to Zoom. Part 8. Why can't you share your screen on Zoom? Reasons and solutions. Potential causes. The Zoom app is not up to date. You don't have the proper permissions. Screen sharing is disabled. Your computer doesn't meet the requirements.